Thank you. All right. I'm going to call Mr. Washington first, get him out of the way. This is the matter of the people versus Aaron. This is the matter of the people versus Aaron Washington. 116094. One count drove while license not valid or improper license. One count drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. One count no insurance misdemeanor. Also calling ticket number P1196045. One count registration and or plate violation. No plate. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Wendy Barnwell, P42505, on behalf of Mr. Aaron Washington, who's present by telephone.
All right. And Mr. Washington, can you state your name for the record, please?
For the record, my name is Aaron Washington.
This is the date and time set for, I believe, a show cause, an arraignment on the information. How are we proceeding, Ms. Barnwell?
Your Honor, I've advised Mr. Washington of his right to a trial and his trial rights. At this time, he wishes to waive those rights and to accept the offer, which, to my understanding, is a plea to count 2, unregistered, untitled, and the remaining counts will be dismissed.
That's correct. You want to take that offer today, Mr. Washington?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, if so, please raise your right hand.
I got my right. Go ahead.
Got your right hand up for me?
Yes, I do. Yes, ma'am.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
Right, you can put your hand down, sir. Sir, did you have an opportunity to speak with an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes, I did. Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone threaten, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for this plea today?
No, they didn't. No.
Okay. Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, I am guilty. Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes, yeah, I understand. Yes, I do.
Okay, understanding all of this, you want to move forward with that plea today, correct?
Correct. Yes, ma'am.
All right. I want to take your attention back to the date of May the 4th of 2021. Were you driving a 2003 Toyota vehicle in the area of Mack and Bewick in the city of Detroit?
Yes, I were. Yes, I were.
And when you were driving that vehicle, was it unregistered or untitled at the time?
Yes, it was.
Satisfied, Attorney Barnwell?
Yes, Judge.
Is there stipulation for probable cause and the counts to be dismissed?
So stipulated.
So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to count 2 drove unregistered or untitled vehicle, dismiss the remaining counts on that ticket, as well as the ticket number ending in 045 in its entirety. Mr. Washington, are you currently employed?
No, ma'am. I'm on SSI.
That means you probably can't do community service either, can you?
No, ma'am.
Mr. Washington, did you update any of this information? Is it valid?
Well, I went and got the title to the car put in my name because the lady I was helping out, she's on dialysis, and I was, taking her back and forth. So I got the title in my name of the car. That's about it. I need to get my license, Your Honor.
You do need to get your license.
Oh.
If I impose a fine in the amount of $200, would you be able to pay that, sir?
Well, can I pay in payments, like maybe $40, maybe $50 at a time? I could do that.
Okay. Mr. Washington, I'm gonna waive your cost of fees today, okay? You're gonna have to pay for reinstatement fees, okay? I can't do anything about that, but I'm gonna waive your cost of fees on this ticket, okay? Try and get your license. You because every time you get stopped, if you do not have your license, you're going to get a new ticket. You're going to come before me, and I won't be able to waive all your fees, okay? This is a one-time.
Your Honor, I have a ticket here for the 19th of next month. Also, I have to appear before you too, because I was helping her again. You know, she's on dialysis, and one of my neighbors. I'm trying to help her.
Mr. Washington, it is admirable that you want to help her, but if you cannot drive, you need to find someone who has a license who can help her, because you're going to continuously get tickets. I'll see you on the 19th, and we'll handle that ticket at that point in time. Have a good day, okay, Mr. Washington?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Bye-bye. All right, Mr. Walker?
Yes, ma'am.
You ready? This is the time and date set for the matter of People versus Delon Walker. This is ticket number P11762401. One count tinted windows, front passengers, windshield more than 4 inches. One count expired plate. One count failed to signal. Also calling ticket number P1147426. One count drove while licenses. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Wendy Burnwell, P42505. On behalf of Mr. DeLeon Walker, Your Honor, I've advised Mr. Walker of his right to a trial and the attendant trial rights. At this time, he wishes to waive those rights and to accept the offer, which was relayed to me as a plea to improper plates and the remaining being dismissed.
Mr. Walker, you want to take advantage of that plea?
Yes, ma'am.
If so, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
You can put your hand down, sir. Mr. Walker, did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone threaten, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for this plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand that by taking the guilty plea today, that you're going to give up any rights that you need to, that you would have had in order to have a trial, bench or jury? You're going to give up those rights by pleading guilty today?
Yes, ma'am.
And understanding all of that, you still want to move forward?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I want to take your attention back to the day of May the 4th of 2021. Were you in the area of Pennsylvania Avenue and Barker Streets in the city of Detroit driving a 2008 Chevy vehicle?
Yes, ma'am.
And while you were driving, was your license suspended?
Yes, ma'am.
Satisfied, Attorney Burnwell?
Defense is satisfied, Judge.
And the court is satisfied as well. I will dismiss the accompanying civil infraction ticket ending in 240 in its entirety and amend the plea to improper play on this particular count. Mr. Walker, I'm going to set the fine today in the amount of $200. How long will that take you to pay? 30 or 60 days?
60 be cool. Yeah, that'd be cool.
Okay. All right. I'm going to have it due no later than January the 7th of 2022. Okay.
So I just got to come down there and pay it?
Yep. Or you can go online to 36th District Court and pay it there too. Okay. Either way.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. If there's nothing for, now you may have some Secretary of State cost fees that are additional to this, okay?
As far as what, like my license was reinstated.
Oh, your
Yeah,
license is reinstated?
Yeah, they was reinstated the very next day because they wasn't supposed to be suspended, because I have had insurance on my car. That's where the suspension came from. Not having proper insurance, but I have always had insurance. So the very next day after I got my car back, I took care of everything, got my license back, because I'm a commercial truck. I do commercial truck, so I need my license.
Okay. All right. But on the day of this offense, you didn't have your license.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. I'm satisfied with that. Thank you, Mr. Walker.
All right, thank you.
You have a good day, okay?
Yes, ma'am, you too.
All right, bye-bye. Ms. White, I'm gonna call your matter, okay?
Alrighty.
You ready? This is the matter of people versus Jacqueline White, W-H-I-T-E. Ticket number P1219432. One count no proof of insurance, one count drove while license suspended, one count open alcohol and a motor vehicle driver. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Wendy Barnwell, P42505, on behalf of Ms. Jacqueline White. Your Honor, I've explained to Ms. White her right to a trial and the attendant trial rights. At this time, she wishes to waive those rights and accept the offer. I believe the offer was to open in talks passenger.
That's correct, that is the offer. Ms. White, can you state your name for the record, please?
Jacqueline White.
You want to take advantage of that offer today?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, if so, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
You can put your hand down, Ms. White. Ms. White, did you have an opportunity to speak with an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes, I did.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Unfortunately, yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty, ma'am?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes, Your Honor.
Understanding all of that, you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right. Ms. White, I want to take you back to the date of June the 26th, 2021. Were you driving a 2009 Chevy vehicle in the area of Penrod and Schoolcraft in the city of Detroit?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you have open alcohol in that motor vehicle on the passenger side?
Yes.
Satisfied, Attorney Barnwell?
Defense is satisfied.
There's stipulation of probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed.
So stipulated.
So at this time, the court will enter the plea to open alcohol in a motor vehicle passenger side amended and dismiss the remaining two counts. Ms. White, why would you do that? You know better now, right?
Yes. It was my friend's birthday, and it was honestly hers, but I'll take the rap. So.
Oh, good friend. I'll tell you that much. I'm gonna settle in the amount of $200 today. How long do you need to pay that? 30, 60 days?
60 days, please.
Is that gonna be enough time?
I hope so.
I'm gonna give you 90 days. I'm gonna have to do no later than January the 28th, 2022. That you would be in kind to your friend. You're welcome. I would advise you to get some of the money from your friend as well. Don't do that again, okay?
All right. Thank you, Your Honor.
There's nothing further. That concludes this hearing. All right, Ms. White.
All right. Have a great day, everyone.
You too. Thank you. All right. The rest of the offers were sent to you, Ms. Barnwell. Did you get them?
I didn't hear you.
I said the rest of the offers were sent to you via email. Did you get them? Check your email.
I didn't. I was unaware. I was so focused on the screen. 1 second.
It's okay. I know that's what I just told you.
I'm looking. Oh my goodness. My mouse is really weird. I'm just fed up.
It's okay.
I see. Wait, did she? Okay. Christina Mack.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. So I'm gonna put you, it's three more, well, it's four more people, but I can't get this one lady to join. So I'm gonna put you in with Jawan Wilson right now.
You said, hold on. Who did you say, Judge?
Jawan Wilson, Jujwan Wilson.
Hold on. Yes,
Okay.
just one. Okay.
Okay. All right. Let me put you in there. I understand. I put
Thank you,
in
Judge.
Go room 4. Room 4. Why is
Oh,
it doing
it's
that?
at 6 though.
I know it was messing with me. Room 4 now.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Okay.
He is. Ain't gonna let that much sit back.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Your internet is really not good, so you keep losing connection. I disconnected you a couple of times because I asked you to call instead. You keep coming in and out of the courtroom, and we can't be able. So I tried to give you the Zoom number so that you could call back on the phone instead, so that you wouldn't keep getting kicked out of the courtroom.
I apologize, ma'am. I'm so nervous. Okay. Wait, let me get it. Oh, geez, hold on. What I just do with that pen? Oh, man.
Ma'am, it's the same number I gave you. Did you try that number or no?
I didn't know. I couldn't really hear what that number you said, ma'am. Let me get a pen so I can get the number, ma'am. I'm so sorry. I'm just so nervous.
Don't be nervous. Don't be nervous. Just try it.
Oh, I ain't used to going through this. That's all that is. Okay. You said the number. The number is what now, ma'am?
929.
Yes.
436. 2866.
2866. Oh, okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Meeting ID is the same one that you have. It's 360.
Okay, 360. Okay,
337.
000. Okay. Call that number.
That's right. Then it'll be okay because you won't keep getting kicked out and we'll be able to hear you clear. Okay?
All right, dear baby. Thank you so much.
All right.
Have a good day. Bye. Oh, girl.
Okay.
Your Honor, Mr. Wilson will need the trial date.
Okay. All right. We can do this one real quick then. All right. You ready? Oh, no, I gotta wait for court report. Okay. All right. You're gonna have to hold tight. You want to talk to Demetrius Williamson then, Ms. Barnwell? Because I need my court reporter back.
Right.
Okay. I'll put you in the
Room 5, I'm entering, okay.
yes. Yep. Hold tight. Okay, we'll get on your matter in a moment, okay?
Okay.
Malika Smith? Michaela Smith?
Yes.
Oh, do you have a court matter today?
Yes.
Okay. I think you're in the wrong courtroom. Is your name, is this your name?
Yes.
Did you have a different last name?
Yes.
Okay, what was your other last name, okay?
Smith.
Okay. I said a different one. Because I only have the W's, Y's, and Z's. So, do you know what your ticket number is? Is this Miss Wright?
Sandra, right, yes.
Hello?
Yes.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Okay, you sound so much better, Miss Wright.
Okay.
Okay, I'm going to put you into what's called a breakout room. Nobody's going to be in there with you, but I promise someone's going to come in there and speak with you about your case. You may be in there for a couple of minutes, but someone's going to come and talk to you, okay?
Okay.
All right, this is so much better. I'm gonna put you in there. It's gonna
Okay, thank
automatically you, so you don't have to do anything, okay?
you. Okay then.
Okay. All right. Okay, Ms. Barnwell.
Yeah, Mr. Demetrius Williamson will accept the offer.
Okay. I wanna put you in. You ready?
Yes.
Okay, we'll do these two matters.
Okay.
Mr. Jawan Wilson.
Yes.
Okay, we're gonna do your matter first, okay? Ready? This is the matter of the people versus Jawan Wilson. This is ticket number U 593247211. One count of disorderly conduct. Appearances for the record, please, starting with counsel.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Wendy Barnwell on behalf of Mr. Wilson.
And Mr. Wilson, can you state your name for the record, please?
Juwan Wilson.
This is the date and time set for an arraignment on the information. How are we proceeding?
Your Honor, I enter a plea of not guilty on his behalf. He wishes a trial.
Okay. All right, Mr. Wilson, you had your camera on before. Can you turn your camera back on?
Sorry.
All right. Can you raise your right hand for me, sir? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I swear.
You can put your hand down. Okay. Mr. Wilson, did you have an opportunity to speak with an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
And she's informing me that you want to have a trial in this matter. Is that a bench trial or a jury trial? A bench trial will be before me, and I will be the trier and finder of fact. A jury trial is before 6 members of your community, of this community, the city of Detroit, and they will hear the same information, only they will decide. How did you want to proceed, Mr. Wilson?
In front of you.
Okay, a bench trial. All right. So I'm going to set this matter on January the 7th, January the 6th, 2022 at 9 a.m. It's going to be via Zoom, so you're going to come on just the way you came on today. I'm going to set your bond at $0 personal, okay?
Okay.
All right. You don't usually get notifications, so make sure you know that date, January the 7th, 2022, 9 a.m.
Let me write that down.
Absolutely.
Is it going to be a different code?
Nope. The same code you used today is going to be that same code on the 7th, okay?
9 a.m.?
9 a.m., sir.
Okay.
You all set?
Yes.
All right, there's nothing further. That concludes this hearing. Thank you, Mr. Wilson.
Thank you.
All right, we'll see you then. All right, Mr. Williamson?
Yes, how you doing?
Good, thank you for asking. You ready? This is the matter of the people versus Demetrius Williamson. This is ticket number P11954005. One count drove while license suspended, one count improper plates, one count drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Also calling ticket number P11954741. One count no proof of insurance. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Wendy Barnwell, P42505, on behalf of Mr. Demetrius Williamson.
And Mr. Williamson, can you state your name for the record, please?
Demetrius Williamson.
This is the date and time set for an arraignment. How are we proceeding, Ms. Barnwell?
Your Honor, I've advised Mr. Williamson of his right to a trial and the attendant trial rights. At this time, he wishes to waive those rights and to accept the offer, entering a plea to the one count of improper plates, understanding that the remaining counts are being dismissed.
Is that right, Mr. Williamson?
Yes, ma'am.
If so, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
You can put your hand down. Mr. Williamson, did you have an opportunity to speak to an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for this plea today?
No, Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
At that day, yes, I was guilty.
And do you understand that by taking the guilty plea today, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes, Your Honor.
Understanding all of that, do you still want to move forward with this plea today?
Yes, like I said, on that day I was guilty, but as of now, I got all my stuff together. I got me a new car, still got that same car. I'm on a good path right now. So on that day I was guilty.
Do you have a valid license now, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you have your insurance on this particular car?
I had insurance on that particular car. I have sold that car. I'm about to transfer that plate to another vehicle. But I had that truck I had registered. I had insurance on it. I still got the insurance on it.
Do you have any of these documents?
Yes, I do.
Where are they at?
So the registration right here. If you can see it. Registration for the Chevy Trailblazer.
Okay. All right. Hold on. Put that back up 1 second. I'm doing something tonight. The date 9, is it 9/15/2022?
The day I got it or the day it expired?
Expired.
Expired on my birthday, 9/19/2022.
Okay. All right. You have your license?
Yep, right here in my pocket.
Is it valid right now?
Yes.
$2025 is when it expires on your birthday?
Up in 2025, I just had to renew it.
Okay. And then, I saw the registration. You have plates on it now? What about the proof of insurance?
For the insurance right here. It expired on December 24th.
All right. Seeing your valid documents, I'm going to dismiss this matter without prejudice. Make sure you keep everything up to date so that you don't have to have this experience, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, there's nothing further. That concludes this hearing.
Okay, you have a good day.
You too, sir. Thank you.
Thank you,
you.
Judge.
You're welcome. Okay. Go ahead, Sam. All right, thank you for that. Mr. Wright, Mr. Wright, Ms. Barnwell, I'm going to put you with Sandra Wright, and then you have Brittany Wilson, and that's it, okay?
Okay.
That's room 6. Wilson.
Oh,
We're gonna put you in with Brittany Wilson, then we should be all set, okay?
Which one is this, Judge?
Brittany Wilson?
Oh, Wilson. Thank you, Judge.
Okay. Tell me when we finish. All right.
Ready, Judge.
Okay.
Ms. Wright, can you hear me okay?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, I'm gonna call your matter first. This is the matter of the people versus Sandra White, right?
Yes.
WRIGHT. This is ticket number
Yes.
P 190192. One count drove while license suspended. Repeat offender,
Yes.
one count insurance misdemeanor. Also calling ticket number P 11899965. One count no receipt of or unsigned registration. One count expired plates. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please, first.
Wendy Barnwell, P42505, on behalf of Miss Wright.
And Ms. Wright, can you state your name, please?
Sandra White.
Ms. Barnwell, this is the date and time set for an arraignment. How are we proceeding?
Your Honor, I've advised my client have a right to a trial and the attendant trial rights. At this time, she wishes to waive those rights and to accept the offer, entering a plea to the offer of improper plates, understanding that the other counts are being dismissed.
Is that right, Ms. Wright? You want to take advantage of that offer today?
Yes.
Okay, if so, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
You can put your hand down. Ms. Wright, did you have an opportunity to speak with an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for this plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty, ma'am?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, do you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, Ms. Wright. I want to direct your attention back to the date of April the 19th of 2021. Were you at that time driving a 2015 Dodge vehicle in the area of Grinnell and Irwin Streets in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
While you were driving that vehicle, did you have improper plates because you didn't have any car insurance at the time?
Yes, ma'am.
Satisfied, Attorney Barnwell?
Defense is satisfied.
Is there a stipulation for probable cause on the counts being dismissed?
So stipulated.
So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to the amended charge of improper plates on ticket 129, ending in 129, count 2, and dismiss the remaining ticket filed on the record today. Ms. Wright, are you currently employed?
No, ma'am. I get disability.
Oh, you have a source of income? Ma'am, I'm going to assess a fine today in the amount of $200. How long will that take you to pay? 60 or 90 days?
90 days, it'll be paid.
Okay, I'm gonna set it out. It needs to be paid no later than January the 28th of 2022. Okay?
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
All right, there's nothing further. That concludes this hearing. Thank you.
Okay, y'all have a good day.
You too.
You too.
Okay. Thank y'all so much.
You're welcome.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Ms. Wilson, I'm gonna call your matter now.
Okay.
All right. This is a matter of the people versus, Ms. Wilson, what are you doing?
I'm trying to get my headphones together. I'm sorry, so I can hear you better.
Okay. Let me let you do that then. I thought you were playing with string at first.
Okay. Here.
Can you hear me better now?
Yes.
Okay. All right. I thought you were playing with string at first. That's why I was like, what's going on? I understand now. You ready?
Yes.
This is the matter of the people versus Brittany Wilson. This is ticket number P11788839. One count failed to display a valid operator's license, not on person. One count no proof of insurance. one count improper language. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Wendy Barnwell, P42505, on behalf of Miss Brittany Wilson.
And Ms. Wilson, can you state your name for the record, please?
Brittany Wilson, BRITTANY WILSON.
All right. Ms. Wilson, this is the date time set for an arraignment. Ms. Barnwell, how are we proceeding in this matter?
Your Honor, I've advised Miss Wilson of her right to a trial and the attendant trial rights. At this time, she wishes to waive those rights and to accept the offer that was extended to her.
All right. Is that right, Ms. Wilson?
Yes,
And so can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
yes,
You can put your hand down. Ms. Wilson, did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
yes,
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for this plea today?
no,
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
yes,
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
yes,
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
yes,
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward with this plea today?
yes,
All right, I want to take your attention back to the date of May the 4th of 2021. Were you driving a 2007 Chevy vehicle in the area of Pembroke and Fenmore Streets in the city of Detroit?
yes,
And while you were driving that vehicle, did you fail to display a valid operator's license to the police officer?
yes,
Satisfied, Attorney Brownwell?
Defense is satisfied.
The court is satisfied as well and will accept the plea and amend it to improper place. The other two counts are civil infractions and the court will dismiss them at this time. Ms. Wilson, are you currently working?
no, but I'm trying to.
What are you doing? Are you in school or anything?
Yes, I'm taking classes for phlebotomy.
Okay. You in college then, or you just in, what are you doing
College.
in college? Where do you attend college at?
For it's hard for me to pronounce. PHILLAR of fire.
All right, you said you're looking for employment. You haven't found any yet?
Yeah, it's hard for me to find employment because of babysitting. I have 3 kids, so everybody don't want to take my kids at one time.
Would it be, okay, this is why I'm asking, because I can put community service in place of cost and fees, or do you just want to pay a cost and fee?
I can pay the cost and fee.
Okay, I'm gonna do $200, okay? How
Okay.
long do you, I'll give you 90 days, okay? I'll make it due no later than January the 28th, 2022, okay?
Okay.
All right, that should give you plenty of time to get you over the holidays, but you need to pay it by that time, okay?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing. Thank you, Ms. Wilson.
You're welcome.
All right, have a good day.